Hey guys, I have this Nuwave Induction Cooktop, and this is the Diamond series, and I'm going to go ahead and see how fast it will boil 1 cup of water. So I'm going to go ahead and flip you around here, and here's my setup. I've got 1 cup of water, and I've got a pan, and this actually comes with a temperature probe, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. It's actually on right now. It says it's 74 in here. I'm going to go ahead and set the timer up, and we're going to add the water to the pot. So that's 1 cup of water. We're gonna start this guy up, and we're gonna have a timer going to see exactly how long it takes to boil 1 cup of water. Hit start on it, start on the timer. That's the temperature of the water right now going through that probe. And you can see you have 3 different settings here. That's a 600, 900, and a 1400 watt setting. And look, we can already see bubbles starting to form at 20 seconds or so. Bubbles starting to form. It's raised the temperature to 87, 88, 90, so it's going up pretty quick. All right, we're at, let's see, 45 seconds or so, and we are at 120 degrees, and it's still climbing fast. And I'm gonna say we're just about at a boil. It's at a hard simmer right now. The probe says it's 166 and climbing. All right, guys, we are at 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I'm going to say the water is boiling. The probe is a little behind. Yeah, it's at a hard boil now. Like 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's at a hard boil. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope this answered some questions for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.